Alright, well today's my fourth day of actually receiving treatment, and I can honestly say that I feel 1,000 times better than I did when I first came in on the first day. It's been a process of following the teachings of Master Kim and really putting those all into place, cutting back on some of the foods and the intakes that were actually the causation of some of the inflammation and things that were happening in my body to help reduce those things, as well as coming in and receiving the treatment. And through those two things, I've seen a massive amount of improvement. I'm still following along with those teachings and trying to stay a couch potato basically right now in my downtime to just allow my body to maximize the practices that are happening in here, and the reduction of intake and things of food and water to be able to better heal, allow my body to heal itself, and all those things I've been taught since I've been here. I'm grateful for everything that beyond the treatments, the education, and the things that are provided here at this practice. I'm so grateful for everything that you have done for myself and my family, and I really would suggest that if you're having extreme pain or an illness, that this is something that will work. I was in a position with my back that I was literally in tears on the ground, crying with pain, and my wife suggested that I come here, and I actually told her no, because I didn't believe that it was going to have the kind of effect that it did, because I had tried other types of acupuncture in the past and it hadn't had this kind of positive result. And so I'm so grateful that she pushed me to come here, and I'm grateful for Master Kim for everything that you have done to be able to help my body heal itself, and your teachings and everything. Thank you so much.